Hello and welcome to this episode of Callan's Outdoor Adventures. And today I'm doing a follow-up video on the Nerf Triad EX-3 Elite. I unboxed it yesterday. I've used it quite a bit and my mom has shot me some. This is what it looks like when it's all fully got the bullets in and everything. I have not loaded it yet, so it's not ready, but it's really nice. It's quite simple to cock. You just grab this, pull these, and then you hear it click and it locks in place. You know, it's ready to fire. And it's really nice. You just have to pull it. You don't have to do anything with the bullets. And you just have to get your bullets again, and you're ready to reload and fire. I am going to set up my electric target and shoot at it because I have all my Christmas gifts under the tree. This one I bought, but that one is one of my Nerf guns. But this one I got for Christmas, and that one I got for Christmas. So put that under the Christmas ornaments. So eventually I'm gonna do a review on this target too. It's really nice. Turn it on. It pops up. I got the gun cocked and ready.
You're not gonna shoot your camera?
I shouldn't. Who knows? It'll be an exciting video if I hit the camera.
Might break your light.
Oh, that was close. I almost hit the GoPro. Oh, my dad just came in. Oh, I didn't even hit a single one. Yeah. And loaded it again. Cocked. Fire. It hit it so hard that it bounced back out. Well, get the Christmas ornament. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode of Callan's Outdoor Adventures. Click subscribe, and if you like this, you might also like my unboxing of that Nerf gun that I just tested out. Anyways, bye. Click subscribe.